Hello everyone and welcome to Anno 2205. An unusual game for me. I haven't played this on my YouTube channel or on stream so far, but during my little YouTube break, I enjoyed this game pretty much. If you watched my latest episodes, I was talking about a bit about my break. I needed a bit of time on my own and to try different things, also for City Skylines, and I also tried Anno 2205. And yeah, it's yeah, it totally sucked me in this game, I must say. I just started to play and I couldn't stop, so well, yeah, and I ended up with a huge city. It just happened. So what I want to do over the stream is I want to give you guys a little overview about this game, if you don't know the Anno franchise, and go away. And yeah, I want to give you a little overview about my empire of wealth I'm building here. And yeah, if you don't know Anno, it's a tycoon type of game with some RTS and city building elements. It's really fun. And yeah, this here is the map. We play on several different locations, climate zones, and yeah, I already played a bit, like I said. So I already unlocked all zones. I also unlocked the moon, and yeah. So let's start with a little tour across my game. And yeah, by the way, later on I want to start with the Orbital DLC, the latest DLC. I haven't tried it so far, so will be pretty new for me. And yeah, so let's go. You have already seen the capital of my game, and Anno, or in 2205, it pretty much works like you produce all the goods you need here in the Arctic and tundra climate zone, also on the moon, and ship them to your temperate zones, and there you will increase the attractiveness of your city, and this will bring in more population, and you will get a higher income, and so on and so on. That's the basic stuff of the game. The lines you can see here are my trading routes from these zones to my temperate zones. Also, I need to produce some stuff here for the people living here. Yeah, later on I will talk a bit about this. Let's do this little tour. I want to start over here in the Arctic climate zone, and oh hi, Angel of Death. Oh, you played Anno 2? I really like it. It's pretty great. And this is here the first Arctic zone I started to play in, and yeah, the graphic is really amazing. I really like the look, and it's pretty cool. So yeah, here I have just a bit of population, just enough for my for all of my industry, and this is not that great city building here. If you are probably disappointed now, and because there's not super cool design city here. It's a bit difficult in the Arctic climate zone because you need to put your population. These are houses. We have here 2 tiers of population. In the game it works like you start adding a house. Let's quickly do this. And example, over here, this house have tier 1, and you need to produce specific goods, and if you provide all these goods and city services, we need community here, for example, you can upgrade this to tier 2, and so on and so on. For the climate for the temperate climate zone, there are 4 tiers. There's a bit more going on, yeah, but for Arctic, that's it. And yeah, like I said, you must put these. This is not really great city building. You need to put these houses next to your industry building because of the heating. So to keep your population warm. And yeah, I'm producing a lot of stuff here, and I don't want to go too deep into this. And yeah, that's pretty much the situation over here. I want to go to the strategy map now, and I don't want to visit the other Arctic climate zones because there's pretty much going on the same stuff. For me here, I set it up the production like that each Arctic climate zone is feeding one temperate climate zone with products, except this one, the largest one we just visited. They need to provide products for these 2 temperate zones. The next place I want to visit is here the tundra. This map was part of a DLC, the first DLC. I just started to play the tundra map, so there's also a couple of quests. I'm right in the middle of them, and the look of this map is extremely amazing, but we have a lot of rain at the moment because, yeah, this is some kind of disaster going on right now. So to show you this situation over here, I should probably solve this disaster. What happened here? We have a heavy rainfall, and this is because a group called the Orbital Watch is controlling a climate stabilizer, and they are sending rain onto my territory. So to remove this, we just need to play this mission here. To do this quickly, I will go to the easiest difficulty level, so we can pretty much rush through this mission. And yes, go away. And this is the part I don't like that much about Anno 2205. In the older Annos, yeah, these are these things I need to save. Yeah. That's enough. So, yeah, I don't like this, how they added the strategy part here in Anno 2205. In the older Annos, it was like you were playing on just one map with AI or against AI, and you were able to build your some military units on this map as well, and you were able to conquer the AI islands and so on. So here in Anno 2205 they changed this gameplay a lot. You play now on like a handful of islands or just a single island on one map, but you can play on several maps at a time. And they removed the strategy part, the RTS part, to a different, so to different maps called conflict zones. So we are in a conflict zone now, which is actually this thing is not the bad thing about this. I think this could be really fun if it would have been added in a good way. So at the moment it's boring. You always play the same maps, and It's not really challenging. Okay, at the moment I play on the easiest level, so this is really for... This is absolutely no challenge, but even on the harder difficult levels, it is not that much of a challenge, and it's always it's get really repetitive, and this is what I not like about this. So I try to avoid these conflict zones. So we just need to destroy these buildings, and if we're done with this, we will have removed the rain, so we have some special attacks also. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Yeah. That's it. So now let's go to the tundra. And yeah, I really love the look of this map. It really reminds me on my Iceland journey last year. The only exception is that there are too many trees. And I really love the look of this. So with this nice little glacier down here. And yeah, it's a really nice place. It's a what was I saying? Shame to build something on it. And here's my little town. Also, just 2 tiers of population here. And the cool thing here is you can produce stuff that is called biocatalysts, sorry. And this can boost the production of other factories. And in other regions, you need to export this to, for example, another Arctic region, and then you can add this or a update to your factories, and this will increase the production of your factories. So yeah, like I said, it's still work in progress over here, still not finished. So let's go back to the strategy map and let's start visiting the more interesting stuff. It's really cool. You can build a colony on the moon, which is pretty expensive, but it is really fun to do. So I started over here, and that's the wrong crater. Yeah, there we go. This is my little moon colony. Here inside of this crater we have the spaceport down here. The spaceport is your center for export and import. So every goods needs to be transported here, and from there you can spread them across your empire. And yeah, we got a lot of industry. And as you can see, I played a bit around with the layout. You know, I start to build really wide roads. Yeah, we can leave this. I don't want to care about this at the moment. I started to build avenues, and I added these kind of little neighborhoods around this avenue, and they are these. This is always as a rectangular, 2 houses wide and 3 houses long. And so I played around a bit with this. So between them there are some empty spaces. I added these shield generators. They will protect us against asteroids. A few moments back we have seen a couple of them. And yeah, that's pretty much the situation over here. So producing some real high-tech stuff. And the most important part here on my moon crater is this area. Here we have my fusion reactors, and these fusion reactors provide the power for all of my industry and my cities and all that stuff. It's the most important place, and there's still space for some more. So yeah, and let's finally go to my cities. I want to start with the smaller one right over here. This is more also a place for industry and production. Cape Amber. I just build a few houses here. This is, of course, everything work in progress, you know? There's still a lot of stuff to add. And, oh yeah, off camera, I had some progress with the sector project. In each sector, on each map, there is a sector project. If you finish them, you will get these rare materials. You need these rare materials for upgrading your industry and stuff. More about this later. So yeah, these are my smaller cities right here inside of these huge industry area. I placed a lot of ornaments here, some decoration stuff, designed some parks and all that. And across my whole cities, I designed some sort of square that I used across my whole cities, because there's kind of a design problem here in this game. You just have, you know, 4 tiers of population, so 4 tiers of these residential houses, and each tier just have 2 different models and 2 different sizes. So when you reach the final tier 4, you just have pretty much like 8 different houses in your cities. So I felt this could look a bit boring, so I really want to spread all different tiers and all different house or skyscraper models across my city, so make it more, you know, look natural. And another thing I wanted to, you know, not have stuff aligned too much with each other. Here you can see, for example, what I mean. We've got a house over here, and with a bit space between them, with a bit room, I added this house, and these empty rooms are filled with these smaller houses. So by this, these buildings are not aligned with each other, and this creates a more interesting look. And this whole square you can see here, this is my like standard design residential square, and I built all my cities with this square. I put it squares next to squares next to squares. As you can see, I turned them, I shifted them, I mirrored them, so this automatically creates a very interesting and more natural and organic look. So in my capital, you will see this. And yeah, also here a lot of industry. This is a really difficult place. Many small islands, not that much space, room. And as you can see here, we've got a huge industry area. This, by the way, is, for example, here we produce IntelliWare, some kind of smart clothes. And this takes a lot of space, and this island is already pretty much full. Also over here we got some farming and stuff, so not much space left. But yeah, this the main purpose of this sector is to feed my capital sector with goods, so I have more space at my capital sector to build stuff. So yeah, the same goes for this year. I will just take a short look into this. There's not much going on. I just produce a little bit stuff over here. The main idea of this sector is it's my central moon import-export sector. So I just have a little town here. It's by far not finished, and just a bit of industry. This is a pretty cool sector project, by the way. Here you can build a dam, actually 3 dams, or you need to repair them actually. And yeah, why I did this with the central import-export sector for the moon stuff, it is because each route, each trading route costs a credits, and the export and import from and to the moon is really expensive, really expensive. So to save money, I export all of my goods that I need on the moon from all of my other sectors to this one, and then I ship all of them from here to the moon. So this is way cheaper than exporting everything from all these sectors separately to the moon. And also the same goes for the way back. And so from here I spread all the moon products and resources to the other regions. So, and yeah, over here this is my second largest city. Let's do quickly a look into this. Also, a lot of work in progress. This is my corporate HQ, so there's a lot of stuff for parks and everything. So yeah, it's already quite much bigger than the other cities. And also you can see here the square I was talking about, which is a good example. For example, here this is the square, and the whole city based on this square, and this creates a very natural skyline, as you can see. And yeah, we need some more products. But I will do this later. So finally, let's go to my capital city. My overall population at the moment is almost 600,000, 560,000 people across my whole empire. And yeah, so here I always have some loading issues, even with my new graphic card. And yeah, this is the main headquarter of my corporation. Still need to add some parks. Like I said, it's all work in progress. Right over here we got the central station. These are some service buildings. Tier 3 population need metro stations. So I just put 2 of them in a row, and with some residential buildings and bus stops, ornamental things, I designed a central station. So of course you have not the depth for city building here in Anno like in City Skylines, for example. But city building is not the main scope of Anno, but things you can do here if you pay attention to your design and everything, already quite cool, and I really like the look of the game. By the way, if you're wondering what all these arrows means, here I can upgrade these buildings. So the good situation is pretty good. So, but I don't want to upgrade anything right now. And yeah, so this is the area around my corporate headquarter. Over here I added the stock exchange, sorry. And stock exchange mean, yeah, you can buy corporation shares of the AI, for example. This is at the moment the situation of my shares market. These were the things I clicked away a couple of times since the stream started. Here you can buy corporation shares of the AI corporations, and each time you buy a share, this will grant you a benefit, a bonus of production or energy production and all that stuff. And finally you can make it to absolute market domination in your game. And yeah, there's not much left for this. Also you can do some espionage and sabotage your opponents and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, also here I worked with avenues. As you can see, at the moment there are not that much ornaments here, but I created this avenue so for some interesting layout situations, you know. So probably we can over here. This district is pretty much finished on this part of this this coast. So I just have a few industry zones over here, a bit of food production, and yeah, I wanted to create a interesting skyline and so on, so and nothing too boring. So yeah, but there's still some space left over here. Also here's some stations and other service buildings like a infodrome, kind of school thing, I guess, security department, police and so on, stadiums and all that cool stuff. Yeah, but still a lot of work to do with ornaments. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. This was my little tour across my Empire of Wealth here in Anno 2205. And yeah, now I want to start to unlock the Orbit, the latest DLC, and there you can build a kind of space station in the orbit of the planet where you can do some, yeah, also production, of course, I guess, and some research as far as I read. And yeah, but I didn't try this before, and I haven't read so much about this, so I don't really know how this works. The only thing I know is I need to build a training center, astronaut training center in my city, in one of my cities, and the best way is to place them close to... Oh, if you can press L, you can hide those arrows. This is a... Yeah, thank you very much, Angel. Sorry, Angel of Death. I didn't know this. Sorry, something is wrong with my voice today. Yeah, I had a cold, by the way. That's also the reason why I didn't upload it that much, because my voice was absolutely destroyed, so it didn't make no sense. Yeah, way better this way. We have a way better view now across my city. And yeah, we want to add the astronauts training camp. And yeah, I want to do this. Yeah, you can also, if you need some goods somewhere, you can also import them from this little space station. So if you are short on goods and have don't want to build any production, or cannot build any production at the moment, so I just importing some stuff over here. You can also sell stuff to the global market this way. Yeah. So like I said, I want to add this over here, and I think, yeah, there's not enough space, so we just need to remove this, and I want to put this here right into my city, because I read this is you need to train astronauts, and for this it is good to put these camps close to other residential areas. So as you can see, you can see this little square. I think we should have a lot of population inside of these circle, not square, circle. And so I want to put this here. I just need to do some minor adjustment to my road layout. So yeah, the next quest is we need to recruit and train astronauts and launch the first shuttle to the Orbital Station. Do we need this to do first, or do we need to unlock the sector first? So I think we need to wait until we trained some astronauts. Yo, this will take 10 minutes, so let's see if we can... Yeah, good to know. Unlock required astronauts on station. Okay, so we need to send the astronauts first to the station. So as long as we wait... Oh, here we can see the progress bar. That's good. As long as we wait for this, we can probably... yeah, we can probably expand the population a bit. So we need some more products over here. That's great. That's great. So yeah, let's just add some more industry. So I plan this region here, or this sector, to be a bit more self-sustaining, because I want this to be the largest city. So with less, yeah, the most less industry on this sector. Over here, we have a lot of space to build anyway. So I want to also build all the necessary industry, temperated area or region industry that I need here. And so we need this IntelliWare now. And yeah, I started to build my IntelliWare production here on this island. So this is fully upgraded. Okay, yeah, so how does industry work? So I want to start with adding a new IntelliWare factory. So we need this for executives. Here you can see all 4 tiers of population, and here you see the products you need and can produce as soon as you unlock this these tiers. So we want to add this factory, and we need 10 IntelliWare. So this single factory is not enough, so we want to add an upgrade. I want to add this module here for this, and this will increase the production by 3. And this upgrade costs some rare materials. The one you can see over here, I have a bunch of them, and that's better at, yeah, let's just add a few more of them than we need. And another thing we need to add, we can go this way. Another thing we can add these kind of modules. So these modules will have a positive effect on, for example, energy consumption, logistic. You need logistic, so you need these types of building that will add logistic to your sector. And if you don't have enough, goods will not be shipped around inside of your sector, or you can reduce the workforce needed for your factory. I want to work with energy because we will have a lot of population here, so workforce will not a big problem. Also, to add logistic is not a big thing. Energy is something that costs a lot and is needed a lot. So I want to put this right over here. So I just want to fill the space where we could not put a factory expansion. So yeah, there's not much space on this island, so also there's not a specific layout. Just want to fill the gaps. So we have this factory, but it cannot start production because we need these materials here, flax fibers and microchips, and we can get these guys by adding other factories. So let's see how much we actually produce. As you can see, yeah, we have a negative production at the moment of microchips, so I could add a new microchips factory, or I can just add another factory expansion. So this will increase the microchips production. So and now we need silicon, because these things will be produced with silicon. So this thing here is already full. So yeah, we need to build another silicon mine. Or is there any mountainside available of one of these islands, or any what is this? Silicon. Yeah, here we have a bit room left, so we can expand this factory. So now we produce enough silicon and enough ships, and the next thing we can do, all we need is flax fibers. So let's go back to our IntelliWare island, and I just need to expand this. All right, this is enough. So we can also add these energy modules to reduce the energy consumption. So we fixed this problem. Now we just need to continue with the other resources here. For example, the sorry, I cannot pronounce this. Rejuvenators something. Sorry. Yeah, I definitely have a lack of vocabularies here for this game. So let's just add this. Here I tried to build something interesting layout. As you can see, I also tried not to align these things. And yeah, so we produce... Yeah, we need to expand the synthecells production, because we need these synthecells for these little things, and so on and so on. So let's put this just here. Yeah, we produce enough algs for this. Algs can be produced or can be harvested here at the coast. Okay. Yeah, close enough. The sorry, the pronouncing, I guess you mean, right? Good to know. So, sorry. Okay, so yeah, we also need some water. So for this we need a coastal building site. All these are occupied. Here we have some coastal building site left. Sorry, temperate, and of course building workers, water. Oh, many of them are left over here. All right, so let's just quickly connect this to the rest of the island. I just will quickly build a direct road connection. So also here we can add some modules. It doesn't make much sense to add too many of them, because the yet now I actually added a lot of them, but there is not much energy and logistic consumption here for water anyway. So I just will fully upgrade this. All right, but we have so many of these real materials, will be not a big problem. Okay, so we are close to finish the first astronaut training. So let's check the yeah, we have a few shortages still left. Maybe we have enough no, there are not enough bioenhancers left here, so we need to expand the bioenhancers factories on the moon. Let's quickly do this before we continue with the astronaut launch into the orbit. Did you already play the Orbital DLC, Angel of Death?
Orbital Station.
Or is it also new for you if you haven't played Anno since a while?
Sequential process started.
Okay. Oh, it seems to automatically have launched. So, yeah, what I want to do, I want to expand my bioenhancers production. These are the factories. I think I need to build a completely new factory, right? Everything looks like fully upgraded from here. Yeah, I think so. So I want to add a factory over here, and so probably we can, there's a huge gap, but probably we need to expand these little food production areas. So I want to leave these empty. Yeah, let's do this over here. We can use a shield generator here. And let's just build a road around this just for fun. So let's check if we collect enough rare earths. Yes, we do. So yeah, we can. Let's just expand this factory because it only produces one biotech. No, sorry, what was this called? Bioenhancers, sorry. And we usually need a bunch of them. So let's just expand the production of this a bit more.
Transfer route inefficient. Cost.
Yeah, now we need some more rare earth. So I want to also decrease the energy consumption over here. Some
Acceptable.
Okay, yeah, let me quickly explain what I have done all the time. They are now bidding on my company share, on a company share I own over here. And if you want to keep your company share, you can also bid on this as well. This will cost you money, or you can use your influence that you just collect over time to start an antitrust investigation, which pretty much means it stops the auction. So, and your share, the share you own, is safe. That's the easiest way. That's the easiest way. So it's always a good idea to leave or to store or to save up a lot of a bit of influence. So what was I saying? Yeah, rare earths. These are the rare earths production lines. I think I need to add another one. And we don't have... Oh, this is the last mountain building site. So... yeah, let's put this right over here. Okay. And by the way, let me... oh yeah, I want to quickly shut these factories down. They have a... well, yeah, now I have a large enough income, I guess. At most of the time of the game, these factories produce building materials. This stuff here. You need these materials to build all these stuff over here, especially the houses for your miners and offices cost these materials also when you upgrade them. And to produce these titanium plating, it is so freaking expensive, so huge maintenance costs. It's the best idea or the best way to save money for your game if you just turn them off if you don't need them. So most of the time of my game I leave them turned off and just put them on if I need the construction materials. But yeah, no, I have such a freaking high income. That's good. So okay, yeah. I wanna remove this. So yeah, he didn't really play it much, orbit, and yeah, it's right. Astronauts will be sent automatically into the orbit, so we now produce enough rare earths, and yeah, let's see. I think we can unlock this now, right?
Within acceptable limits.
Yeah.
However, I advise against staying in 0G too long.
So let's take over the sector. New owner, it's me. And let's see what we can do here.
Welcome to your corporate orbital station. You are free to expand it in order to pursue scientific research only possible in 0G.
Wow.
Enjoy your stay. I'll be
Amazing
standby to
view.
advise you. Take
Yeah.
note. The station can be expanded to pursue various types of research. A
Okay.
follow-up is needed.
Yeah, okay, we need to expand the station, as he said. And yeah, look at this. Look at the view across our planet. Like I said, I really like the graphics of the game, the aesthetic. It's amazing. So, construct a industry workshop. Oh, apparently we need to build shield generators here as well. I have seen some asteroids. a... What was it? A industry workshop. Orbital workshop. Okay. I think they mean these guys. So, okay, you need to connect this apparently
Working conditions met.
to these
Research now
spots.
possible. A follow-up is needed.
Okay. Open the technology nexus. Okay, building. So
That's that.
okay, here is the. Oh, wait a second. Yeah, they are again bidding on my shares. So no, I don't want it.
Insufficient research supplies.
Yeah, okay. Let's just accept.
This provides you with an overview on all orbital research.
Okay.
Please choose which research projects to commission.
Okay.
Your motivation up.
Ah, look at this. So we can research stuff over here. I was not aware of this, I must say. So yeah, we can start with this. This will increase productivity in agriculture facilities. I think this is probably game-wide. This is something I already read, so you can somehow increase the production of your industry across all your sectors, and this apparently happened by this research.
Next step initiated.
Okay. So now we need... What do we need to do next? Okay, kids in production. Okay, this is the agriculture.
Former lead engineer. The next time you attend the council, contacting her through the net has been next to impossible.
Okay. Whatever that means. Requires astronauts to provide expertise, enables advanced technology. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, you need to send different types of astronauts to your orbital station, and you will get these different type of astronauts by adding astronaut academies to your different climate zones. And this will probably unlock new research. Yeah. So, let's see. So, let's see what I'm gonna do next. So, okay, we cannot Okay. Apparently we cannot produce anything. It's definitely just for research. Okay, and look at this. Oh, a satellite. Hello. Okay, we probably need the orbital module kits we just produce. I think.
Do you need me for a status report?
So we produce kits right now. I think this is this, and we apparently need this to build this stuff here. Okay, that's interesting. There's another shuttle. Hello. So I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing here. So I will go back to the planet and we'll add more astronaut camps. Oh, okay. You see, we need more goods over here. So this is a thing we should do next. We need moon crops. This is something we can produce on the moon, like the name says. So yeah, Angel of Death just said, yeah, it's just research, but you have to send materials to the space station like the other regions to improve research. So this is, yeah, what I want to do now. So moon crops, 50, that's quite a lot. Here is my moon crops production. This will add 10. Okay. So we definitely need a lot of them. And we need to expand our shields first. I think a small shield generator is enough. We can probably put this just here, and I want to add this right here. Wow, this will... Oh, wait a second, these are not moon crops. What I'm doing, these are the thing I need. Sorry. So no, I totally overproduce lunar launches, so sorry. Let's just remove them because we have way more than enough. So we just want to add these guys. Okay, 63, that's great. So probably we can add some upgrades. Yeah, let's add some of these power things. And I think these were our models. Yeah, so let's ship these things to our new station. Let's create a new transfer route. So lunar, these are the moon crops, and yeah, now we can select the targets, the source sector, and then we need to select the target sector, and here we can enter the value. We need just 50. So as you can see, wow, this is freaking expensive. 10,000. So okay.
Transfer route registered.
Great. So now we need deep water corals as well, and I'm just thinking if we should do it the same way, putting things exporting things over here and ship them to our orbit. But on the other hand, it doesn't really make sense because we cannot save anything. It depends. If we produce the same type of resource in different sectors, yeah, let's keep this as my central super spaceport. So deep water corals, where we wanna produce them. Here I have a lot of space left, I think, because this sector just feeds this small one, so not much industry here at the moment. Is the spaceport fully upgraded? Yes, this is necessary. Not much power anymore here. And yeah, we just have a very, very, very small Arctic settlement over here. Nothing major. Oh, we already got a coral farm, so we can just add additional modules, but this is not enough. So we should add another one. I think it was 10, right? So we should just add another one over here. Let's add a road. Here it makes sense to add some of these drone bays to reduce the necessary workforce, because I don't want to add too much population over here. Yeah, I know, Angel of Death. I would waste credits, but if it will be necessary to ship goods from 2 different sectors, I think it would save money if I gather the materials here and send them there, probably. So, oh, let's quickly check how much does it cost if I send this to the station. So from here to there, 500, and if I go from here to there, it is, you know, just 200 and then 500. So in case I need to send materials from here and there, what I want is, but actually, why should I spread the production of algs? That's corals. That's, yeah, questionable. So yeah, that's right. So let's just bring them directly to this place. So just 10. Confirm. So
Transfer route delivers.
let's see what's going on over here.
This is a nice surprise.
So yeah, okay, here we can see the production bonus we get from these deep water corals and moon crops, and apparently if I add these orbital modules I can increase the research speed as well, right? So this is probably how it works. So like I said, let's add more types of astronauts to this. So now I want to go to this sector. As you may remember, this is my largest Arctic Arctic colony. So lots of population probably here. So, but it will not be easy to find a place where we can add my astronauts camp, because everything is occupied already. So probably I need to go to a different place here. Everything is full and fully packed with population. So I can probably put this here. No, this will not fit. There's not enough room. These things are so freaking huge. Yeah, it will fit over here, but this is very far away from population. So yeah, plan B. Plan B, I will go to another Arctic region. This one over here. This is the one with the most space. With the most space for residential zones. No, I think I confused the thing, so I think it was over here. Okay. Alright, so there we are. Now I have already a lot of population over here, and here is a nice huge flat area. So I want to add the Physics Institute Training Center right over here. I think it will not provide heat for my population. So we probably need to add a bit more factories here. So let's put this right here. And yeah, look at this. The efficiency is only at 9%, so we need much more population.
It works. That's all that matters.
So, yeah, I think it's time to start bidding on shares right now. I want to bid on this share, and the easiest way, so wait a second, I want to downrate this first, because this will prevent the AI to add too high bids. And the best way to get control of all shares and not wasting too many of your influence is just to wait until the AI starts a auction. So then it is just a matter of time until you gain control of all companies.
Good.
Yeah.
Now I won't have to waste any more time on that.
Yeah. You have no chance. Guys, I'm much richer than you. Okay. So at this point, it is probably a idea to. No, I don't. Won't do this.
What can I say? That was bad.
Okay. This other thing would grant you a kind of cashback of 15%. So, but I better want to save the influence, because I think maybe over the stream I will try to get the last share here, because this will grant a huge bonus for industry production, and would be probably energy production, and it would be probably enough to dominate the global energy production. All right, so what was I saying here? I want to continue here with these to add more residents. So we can probably add another module. No, there's not enough room for this. So we can also add some stuff over here. So now the interesting part. Do we need any kind of goods right here, right now? Wait a second. We wanna upgrade this. Okay, to tier 2 population. And yeah, we probably need
Expansion options.
stimulants. Yeah, we'll check this in a few moments. Yeah, stimulants are pretty cool because they do not need or do not occupy much space. This is a stimulants factory. This would be a pretty good addition to this place. So we want to put population here and there, and I want to add this stimulants factory. So we need to move this a little bit. All right, and let's do this. So over here I want to add these drones. Let's expand this a bit. All right. So, of course we need a road connection over here. Yeah, every house needs to be connected to a road, and that road needs to be connected to your harbor down here, to your harbor. So yeah, so I want to upgrade this here as well. Yeah, as you can see, we already increased the efficiency of our physics institute. So maybe we can get this to 100%. That would be cool. I just want to adjust a few things. What else do we need here? So we have tons of fish. Wait a second. I am here. This is also, I think I have trading routes from here to Tundra. So, and Tundra consumes a lot of canned food. So I have enough at the moment, but for the Tundra area, I need a lot of this anyway. Yeah, let's build a road like this. So the next thing I want to add over here is a canned food production. So like this, and a drone bay. And I'm building them this way. I use these modules here between the factory expansion because I want to build this line of factory and factory expansion as long as possible to provide as much as possible heat to as many houses as possible. So I think this is the best way to do this. So we want to, oh, sorry. So I want to add some more of this stuff. So we can probably upgrade this. Now we should have enough heat here to, yeah, to produce a thing like this. Oh, 100%, perfect, perfect. So let's quickly check the resource situation. We've got enough deep water corals here. We need these corals for the stimulants, by the way, and I also produce enough fish for the canned food. So great. So this is that. Oh, I've forgotten something. I wanted to send the bioenhancers here to this city. So I just, here we have a list of all of my active trading routes to and from this sector. And I just want to edit this one because this is the trading route from the moon. I want to export all of my bioenhancers. So now we have enough bioenhancers over here. And now I need to ship them right over here. Put in 12. That's enough for the moment.
Updating transfer options.
All right. As you can see, now my population rises because of this, because I fulfilled a demand of a good, and now people are getting happier in this city, and they start to move in, and they provide tax income. So that's pretty much how it works here with the economy. Okay, so yeah, let's check the station. What's going on over here? And yeah, oh, you find a good layout for the Arctic. So you can tweet me an image if you like. I'm curious about your solution. I feel a bit. Mine's feel a bit. My solution feels a bit messy for me. Okay. So.
Yeah. Is there something you want?
So now we can add these expansions. Provide support to connected workshops. So I think, so it's in provides support. Okay, it doesn't seem to be a specific workshop where I need to connect this to. But yeah, but I think it needs to be necessary to directly connect this to a workshop. So let's just build the artificial G lab. Okay, we cannot. Okay, we need to add the connector. Yeah. Let's start with the connector. Oh, okay, this is the end of our shields. That's not much space, not much room. So, okay, we have this connector.
Me? I didn't expect that, to be honest.
So let's build the anti-G lab, just for fun.
All right.
Yeah, this is nice. Oh yeah, I want to cancel this auction. Another shuttle with astronauts just came in. Oh, and here we see a little guy floating around in space. Oh, I really love the look of the game. Okay.
Construction options expanded.
Oh, we can build the biotech complex and the electronics clean room. That's interesting. So what should we build?
You came to see me?
Maybe let's check the technology lab. +4, +4. So how can I... okay, I need to add more agriculture chambers to unlock this technology tree. Okay, I got it, slowly I got it. So we need these workshops, okay. Yeah, let's just build another one.
Possibility for technological advancement detected.
Okay, why this temperature critical
May I be
low?
of assistance?
So how do I solve this with a temperature? Do I need to add these resources? Probably. Hello, satellite. Yeah, let's try this. Let's try this. So we need synaptic circuits. Not that many. That's good because they're expensive to produce. I want to produce them right here. Okay. So, I also got an island for these, wait a second, where do I build this? Damn. Ah, here's my, wait a second. Synaptic circuits. Where put I? Ah, there, over there. Ah, here's the, I just confused them with the synthesis production. They look a bit similar. Okay, there was just a second of confusion. And I want to move this, and I just want to expand this. So we probably need more silicon. No, we're good. We're good with silicon and bioresin. How many goods we already produced? 3 of them. So how many we needed of them? 4. Yeah. So let's build some more of this. So yeah, I really like the complexity of this game. As more you progress, as more complex the game will be. And yeah, it gets also a bit easier, I must say. So when you reach a spot where you get a really high income, things get really easy, but it gets really complex to organize all your trading routes and the production, all that thing. It's really fun to work through all this and to optimize things. I really love this. So from here we want to export the synaptic circuits. Oh my god, I produce a whole lot of them over here. I didn't knew this. So yeah, however, I want to do this from here anyway. So let's just add 4.
Transfer route registered.
And let's do this. Okay, we need super coolants. Do I produce... Let's check this first. Do I have a overproduction of super coolants anywhere? Yeah, let's stop this auction. Yeah, over here, that's good, because I already export stuff to my station from here. Maybe I should... No, actually, I export this from here, right? Yes, so maybe this should be my central orbital goods export Arctic sector to orbital station thing, if you know what I mean. Okay.
Transfer route beginning operation.
So, yeah, that's good. Let's just jump in. And we still have this temperature. Is critically low. Why? So here's temperature is good. How we can increase the temperature? Ah, working temperature optimize for keep workshops at their optimal working temperature to optimize their expertise. Yeah, nice, but nobody tells me how I can increase the temperature. Probably we need to add a module. Recycling system. Storage platform. Whatever this is. Radiator. Reduces heat of connected workshop. I want more heat. I don't really have a idea. Do you know how I can increase the temperature, Angel of Death? Or haven't you played Orbit enough for this? Let's just... Maybe we can give this a try.
Temperatures reaching critical levels.
Okay, it really decreased the temperature of this. Okay. That's not good. So it wasn't probably not a good idea to put this thing. So I would say... So there must be... Some of these modules must increase the temperature, probably. Yeah, I found it. The solar panel.
Further investment in research possible.
The okay. So okay. I've got it. I've got it. I need to add specific modules to these parts to modify the temperature. Okay. Got it. So I should probably... Let's just remove this. Yeah.
Oh, hello.
So temperature is much better. Now, temperature is much better. What will happen if I connect this right over here?
Oh, well,
Okay, it also increases the temperature of the agricultural chamber. So if you add these modules at... Yeah. Right between these chambers, you have a positive effect on both. Yeah, that's good to know and logical. So, okay, what will be the effect of the greenhouse?
Updating list of achievements.
I have no idea. Okay, it also increases the temperature. Also, okay. All modules increases the temperature. Okay, but these solar panels increasing the temperature by far the most amount. Or, yeah, you know what I mean. Okay, got it.
Oh, hello.
So I should just add a artificial G-lab
Come in, but please don't touch anything.
and a greenhouse probably as well.
Space shuttle docking.
Now this thing doesn't seems to work on the optimal temperature. Okay. But it's way more efficient at the moment than it was before. How we could solve this? I want this to be connected.
yeah. Is there...
Let me quickly try something. So this increased the temperature by 2 for this lab.
Oh, sorry, I engrossed.
I'm curious if this also have an effect on this lab here, or if it... I think it needs to be connected directly to this. So I removed that, and we had, yeah, still 38 degrees. So yeah, this is how it works. So I want to add the greenhouse here again. That's pretty interesting. So we should think to increase the temperature as much as we need it, I think the best way is to move this right here.
Further research now accessible.
Ah, yeah, wait a second. Okay, I cannot move the whole thing together. Okay. Yeah, got it. So from here we can connect sorry, modules at all 4 sides of this thing. So we can probably push the temperature as high as we need this way. So we can just add this right here. And if we put this solar panels right here, yeah, perfect. Now it is working on optimal temperature. Great.
This isn't.
Yeah. So I think this is how it works. So let's see.
And good to see you. Then again, I see you most of the time.
Yeah, let's start research. So we get additional workshop kits here. That's good. And okay, 50% increased rewards for assignments from. Okay. Yeah, I don't play these assignments. These are some kind of small little missions you can get at harbors in your sectors, and I want to focus more on building stuff here. So, okay. So, great. Let's try to bring in more astronauts. Orbital workshop kit. Okay.
Need me for a status report.
These are the workshop kits, and these are the orbital module kits and link kits. Okay. So slowly I understand how it works. So we have here the orbital module kits and the link kits, and you need to expand these by researching them. Okay, we should probably see if you could add a self-testing hardware or the facility electronic clean room. Yeah, if we add this, we can unlock more kits. Yeah, this will add one additional workshop kit. Okay, so if I add this first, I would not have enough workshop kits to add this one to research this workshop kit. So yeah, so we need a heavy industry hall, and for the heavy industry hall we need engineers, and I think we get engineers from the moon. Okay, oh wait a second, and I need to do a little thing over here. This sector has been hacked, so another corporation is now stealing income from this sector, unfortunately. So with a little mission quest we can stop this corporation from hacking. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, this is not not my stream is not broken, right? This is the hacking animation. Oh, what's going on over here? I think it's part of the sector project, these guys shooting at these ships, but I don't want to care about this now. Attach sensor drone to your command ship. The sensor drone is at the spaceport
Specific consumer products.
over there. So this is my command ship, by the way. I can directly control this ship and do some kind of assignments and missions on my sector. Inside of my sector. And yeah, let's quickly grab this drone.
Object attached.
And let's move. Oh, wait a second. Ah, it's different. I never had this kind of mission.
Roger.
No, wait a second. Ah, damn it. I do the I do the sector project right now. Ah, damn it. But I can, yeah, unattach this. So this is the right drone I need. Sorry for this. So let's attach this to the ship.
Object attached.
So, okay. Now we can see the signals, and there's some kind of hacking device somewhere on this map. And if we follow these little blinking dots, we are going to find this. So it must be somewhere this way. So if we just go down here, usually we can also find it this way. So let's,
Full speed ahead.
maybe we need to go a bit closer.
Copy that.
Okay. So as you can see, the signal strength is increasing right now. Yeah, there it is. So there are some enemy drones in this area, and we need to avoid getting or touching these circles around them. This is the little hacking device. So now we need to do the same thing again. Attach monitored ship to your commander. Distribute ship by to Lisheng freighter. Okay, this is, yeah, now it's definitely different. So we probably need to find how does it work? Is this the, this is the Lisheng freighter. So where do we find the monitoring ships? Ah, this is a monitoring ship, so we should try to take some more closer to us. Yeah, this one, for example.
Company share registered. Placing own bid is advisable.
No, I will not place our own bid. I will just do this. Thank you very much and goodbye. Okay, let's just pick this up.
Docking successful.
And now we need to take this here to the Lisheng freighter. And that's it. We need to do these 3 times. And yeah, while I'm doing this, I want to talk about a different thing. Guys, what do you think about if I start playing No Man's Skies? Release is on Friday for PC, and I'm really waiting for this game since a while, and I really want to play this, and I really consider
According to schedule.
I really planning. I could imagine to do a live stream about this as well. I know it's kind of an untypical game for my channel, but as you probably already noticed, I'm also a fan of sci-fi space game kind of things, and it's a really interesting game. I definitely want to play it. Oh, sorry. I detached it. So
Docking successful.
let's find another freighter. It's over there. So I'm not sure if many people will watch this because it's, yeah, like a untypical game for my channel. But yeah, I really want to play it. I already watched one gameplay video, and it's pretty much the type of game I expected. So there. It's pretty interesting to read about the first reviews and opinions, because at the moment it seems to be the case there are just two type of players. One type loving this game and says it's a masterpiece, and the other type say absolutely hate this game. But I think so far what I read about this game and about reviews and seen so far, for me it is definitely the kind of gameplay I expected. Some sort of relaxed galaxy exploring. Okay, so let's just find another freighter down there. Okay, so there we are. This should be the last mission, and then
I'll give you a like for that.
yeah. So we defend the sector, and what was the last thing I wanted to do? Oh yeah, I wanted to add a astronauts training camp to the moon. Oh, we need some more stimulants here for some reason. Oh yeah, probably because I used so many here. Or can we? No, we have some available.
Low project load. Updating transfer options.
So, okay. So, there we go. Astronauts training camp. We want to put this, of course. What is this called exactly over here? Engineering Institute. We want to put this right inside of my population right here. So I think this is probably the best place. This will occupy the space we need for these for my food production.
Updating list of achievements.
But yeah, it already works on 100%. Perfect. Great. So we can unlock another workshop soon, I guess. So I think we just need... What do we have? All types of astronauts now. We have from the Arctic, from the temperate region, from the moon. What do we need? The from the tundra as well.
All systems running smoothly. Good to see you. Then again, I see you most of the time.
Our research is working here. Let me quickly check this.
I have to say, your performance
Engineers,
entail a lot of pressure. I cannot imagine the stress you are
physicists.
suffering from. Looking at all those numbers, pressing so many buttons with just
Okay.
6 billion neurons. You have my sympathies.
Yeah. Yeah. Nice of you.
You haven't come far on the progress bar yet.
Okay, yeah, I think we now sending all types of astronauts we need to the station. Interesting. Okay, we should probably expand my training camps in the future, but for now it is good. We just need to wait for
Good to see you. Then again, I see you
for
most of the time.
2 minutes to unlock the next workshop. I want to build this mineral cultivation thing. I'll research this,
All systems running smoothly.
but I need the heavy industry hall. Yeah, this is the one I need. Okay, yeah, I think I will try to unlock this over the stream as well. And I think then I will get slowly to the end because it's getting quite late right now. Okay, so but the interesting thing is we already researched
Do you need me for status report?
the personalized medicine and the mutation optimizer, and they should already have increased the production of my agricultural facilities and biotech facilities. So at this point I should have a nice overproduction of, for example, food. Yeah, look at this. Wow, yeah, definitely. Some nice food overproduction and biotechnologies. Biotechnologies where what were biotechnologies? Luxury food and that's no. This is I think all agricultural. I cannot really at the moment. I'm not sure which ones were the biotechnology. But yeah, we have a bit of food overproduction, so
You want to bring
oh,
something to our
oh sorry. So we can just expand the population a bit. That's a nice idea. So let's go to my capital city. And let's see.
New station expansion options.
Okay, yeah, we just need the astronauts, of course. Ah, there. We got our nice space shuttle here. I'm curious if we are going to see a launch when in 2 minutes. I'm curious. I want to observe this. So, yeah, expanding my capital city. We have a lot of space left, so we need, I guess, a stadium. Yeah, I want to add another stadium, and for this we have the central station here, or another metro station. I'd imagine to move it this way. Let's add, yeah, another one of my squares right here. So yeah, let's add the residential houses, and yeah, that's pretty much how it works. I will leave a bit room here for the smaller houses, and then things are not that much aligned. Okay, so oops, sorry. Yeah, so that's pretty much the way how I expand my whole city. This is just a temporary road here. I think I want to remove this since this is not needed anymore. Right, these roads inside of this. And I just consider to build the stadium. The next stadium right here, right at the station. That would make sense, right? Maybe I can move the infodrome. Okay, it's
Astronaut team incoming.
oh yeah, there's the space shuttle launch. Right inside of the city. I think noise pollution will be not the problem. I wanted to remove the infodrome, but at the moment it is actually at a very good place. But we can probably move it here. Yeah, it also almost have the same, or still have a good efficiency. So now we got space here for a stadium. I want to put this right here. Great. So probably we can build a road, something. No, we we cannot, not enough room. So later on I will do, we'll add all the decorations and ornaments and all that stuff. Nope, sorry my friend. I want to keep my share. Probably we can also, yeah, let's quickly expand this avenue so we can build a nice park around this astronauts training camp kind of thing. So there are still so many ornaments I want to add. So these are the typical way I decorate my avenues. So leaving 4 tiles room between the street lights here. And then I just add a row of 3. So something pretty simple. There we have 5, but doesn't matter. So this is a quickly built avenue. And also here is, I want to build a park here. Wow, there's so much traffic on this bridge. It's incredible. So yeah, what should we build? Oh, let's wait. Let's quickly do this here as well. Okay, yeah, but this is enough. So what should we add to the training camp? I want to build these guys over here, so we can just pretend that there is a kind of, you know, a central station right at the entrance of the astronauts training camp. So it's just a decorative thing, these guys here. So there's not really a metro station. Sorry, I said central station, I guess, but it's a metro station. So maybe we can just add this sort of commercial sign, and yeah, around this. So this is the entrance situation to our astronaut training camp. I want to add a row of 3, and we can add parking lots. Additional parking lots. We already have some over there. Let's add some additional. I want to have a specific one. So this is a bit difficult with the ornaments. Let me quickly show. There are different models of parking lots, as you can see, and the one that appears is totally random. So if you want to have a specific one, I want to have these circular one. You just need to build this somewhere and grab them and move them manually to the final location. Right? So it works with all of the parking lots. And now you can probably imagine how much time it took me to build this kind of parking area at the edge of my city. Yeah. I built this whole thing this way, like I did with the parking lots I just moved to this training camp, and I want to build this around the whole thing. This is the border of my city, so much work left to do, like I said. So yeah, okay. So from here we can just expand the avenue situation. Like this, 4 trees, and sorry. All right. Okay. And yes. So and yeah. Hello, Living Dad. Welcome to my little stream. So yeah, and let's just add trees over here because they fit well to this side of the training center. So yeah, we just finished the go away, my friend. We just finished the park around this area. Let's stop the auction and let's see if we already can expand our station. That would be really, really cool. New buildings available. Energy cluster, heavy industry hall. Yeah, we want to add the
Vitals are within acceptable limits.
heavy industry hall. The heavy industry hall, because we want to research
Exploding at the moment.
this workshop expansion, right? So let's put this thing right here.
R&D offers new options.
So yeah, these solar panels already have a positive effect. That's great. So if we build a connection this way,
I'd show you around, but there's no
yeah,
place to
we've pretty much solved the temperature issue.
Whoa, look who's here.
So over here we want to add the
Attention, warning.
recycling
Insufficient
system.
research supplies.
Come in, take a deep breath.
Yeah, that's great, but we cannot add the... Damn. This little platform here. This is unfortunate. By the way, will this... Okay, this increased the temperature by 8. If I'm going to remove this and add this guy here, only by 6, which is still not enough. We need... The optimal temperature is 40 degrees. Wow, that's quite a lot.
Low project load.
That's quite a lot. So we should... I think we need a different layout. We need a different layout.
You didn't come all this way just to see me.
It's building the station is it's like a puzzle. It's really an interesting gameplay idea.
Whoa, look who's here.
So we need to connect this to solar panels, but we also need to connect this to the recycling system and this platform. But these modules do not have an impact on these two workshops, right? So it's probably not a good idea. How we can solve this? So we definitely need, I think, to get these 40 degrees, we need to connect two solar cells and this platform and this recycling system. Otherwise it won't provide enough temperature. We should probably move this guy right here.
Possibility for technological advancement detected.
So we can connect this right there. Let's just do it this way for the moment. And a second. Okay. Yeah, I think we can change this later when I have unlocked all workshops. So I think then yeah, when we have unlocked everything, then it is the right time to start to move these things around. Oh, wait a second.
Shuttle arriving. According temperatures reaching critical levels.
Temperatures reaching critical levels? Oh my god. Why?
Well now, here's some good company.
We are in optimum? Optimal?
He
Optimal?
came to see me.
Optimal.
Do you need me for a status report?
Everything is good. Yeah. So, let's... The effect is up to 2 connectors distance set Angel of Death. Are you sure? I think I... So you mean if I add a thing like this?
Reading you loud and clear.
I thought I tested this. So we have 44 degrees. If I add another solar panel,
Well now, here's some good company.
no, stays at 44 degrees. So it must be directly connected to the workshop, I think. So let's remove this. Okay. Yeah, research.
On fire or exploding at the moment.
Okay. Yeah, research is underway. So, yeah, we researching the workshop expansion right now. So we can build this one. But wait, I cannot build every workshop, right?
Unusually long playing time detected. Pause. Recommended.
Yeah. Well, I will stop playing in a few minutes. It's already quite late. So, yeah, because when I unlock this, I get these modules, but I cannot build this workshop. That's interesting. So to unlock this technology, I need to... Or to build this workshop. Okay. So apparently I need to specialize in one technology tree, as it seems to look like. So I will be not able to
Human individual.
expand
Expendable.
my station. Interesting. Looks really nice. So, hello satellite. Now, yeah, what I want to do now is, yeah, let's just deliver the resources we need. We need rare earth elements and multi-spec prism. So, rare earth can be exported from here. Oh, wait a second. I want to create a new transfer route. So from here, oh, sorry. So yeah, this way it works. So how many we need? Just 3, right? Yeah.
Transfer route registered.
So do we have any overproduction on multi-spec prism? Yes, we have. So yeah, let's add a new transfer route from here to there and to confirm.
Transfer route delivers.
Yeah, that's pretty much it. We're
Your vitals are within acceptable limits.
researching now with a
Advance against
good
zero
efficiency.
bomb.
Yeah, so I think that's it. Station is good for the moment. Another shuttle is incoming. Nice, really nice. So we can fly around a bit with this view. I think it's the engineer shuttle, right? It's yellowish, like the engineer's suit. And docking. Yeah, it looks really cool. Sometimes I really enjoy to just sit back and watching the game, you know, sitting somewhere at a nice place. I prefer the moon and just observing how shuttles and ships and all that stuff, shifting goods around and people running around and doing that stuff. I really enjoy the aesthetic and graphic. Oh, there's a little drone. The ship is leaving now. Yeah. Really, really nice. So, yeah, guys. Yeah, sorry, living that. I'm I'm 32 years old. Sorry, it's quite late. It's already 50 minutes past midnight. And oh yeah, sorry, you just joined, but yeah, like I said, it's 50 minutes past midnight, so I want to go to bed now. I need to go to work tomorrow. And oh yeah, hi Fluxtrans. Yeah, you're too late. Sorry. I just want to say goodbye, but I'm fine. I hope you are fine too. And yeah, so finally, thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.